Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Popovers. Let's start coding. As you remember, we used different CDNs in our previous video. I have created a second template and I just make that one disabled and edit two of them. So we will use that CDN's rest of our tutorials. I copied whole second template HTML and pasted in our new project file. Let me close that section and let's start our first popover. I'm going to create dismissable popover first. I want to add some style for body before starting our first popover. Padding left 100 pixels and padding top 200 pixels. Let's create our first popover. It's going to dismissable popover. Tab index 0, class name btn danja and btn sm, and role button. Let me get it down. Data toggle popover and data trigger focus and data placement left, and we need to add title, popover title, and data content. Let me put some lorem text. You can add any text you want. And let's close our tag. And we need to add a button text. Let's say dismissable popover. And now we need to add JavaScript code to make it work. Let me paste our JavaScript code. Let's save it and have a look at it. So guys, we see our dismissable popover. When you click any place on your browser, it will be gone. See guys? So we call it dismissable popover. We use JavaScript to do that. It is not a JavaScript tutorial. I will not talk about JavaScript very much. I just want to say a couple of things. In first row, we create a variable which is popover trigger list, and we call data toggle popover. So that popover toggle is coming from our data toggle. So if you change that text, you should also change that text too. And also we create another variable. You need to use var when you want to create a JavaScript variable, or you can use let as well. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it's still working. And we create a function and then we're returning our popover data from here. If you want to learn more JavaScript, you can have a look at our JavaScript tutorial series, guys. Let's have a look at another popover. Let me put a HR. I need to create a button and say popover top. Type button, class name btn primary. Let me get it down. Data container body and data toggle popover and data placement tab, and we need to add data content and data title. We can copy that example and let's paste it here. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, when you click it, we see our Popover. When you click any place on your screen, nothing will be happen. You see, you need to click button one more time to make it invisible. So as you see, we use positions, and positions is showing the tab. Let's copy and paste couple of more to have a look at rest of positions. That one is, let's say, left, left, and that one is bottom, and one more time, and that one is right. Let's save it and have a look at it. Let me click that one first. We see our first popover. Let's click that one. See, it's open at left side. Let's click that one. It's open at bottom side. And let's click that one. It's open at right side. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.